Common pitfalls in engineers' behavior and how to overcome them. Hi, I want to talk about some of the behavioral patterns I've seen hold engineers back, not just in their careers, but in their ability to collaborate and thrive within teams. Engineering is more than just writing great code. It's about how well you communicate, grow, and work with others. I've seen many engineers, some of the most talented ones, struggle, stagnate, or even become isolated, simply because of certain habits they don't realize are working against them. The good news? I've also seen these behaviors shift, leading to stronger teams, better careers, and much more fulfilling work. So let's talk about the most common pitfalls and, more importantly, how to overcome them. So 1. Competitive mindset over collaboration. I see this all the time. Engineers who treat knowledge as personal currency rather than something to be shared. There's this unspoken belief that the more you know, compared to others, the more valuable you are. The problem? This kind of thinking creates silos, weakens teamwork, and ultimately slows down projects. I've learned that the best teams are built on collaboration, not competition. When knowledge is shared openly, everyone levels up together. How to fix it? Recognize and reward teamwork, not just individual success. If collaboration isn't valued, people won't prioritize it. Encourage pair programming, mentoring, and open problem solving. I've seen engineers learn more in a few paired sessions than in months of solo work. Break down silos with cross-functional learning. Exposure to different roles, like product management and design, helps engineers understand why collaboration matters. 2. Lack of communication skills. In my experience, many engineers are incredible problem solvers, but struggle to articulate their ideas clearly. Some prefer to stay quiet in meetings, while others assume that their work will speak for itself. But the reality is, poor communication can stall progress, create misunderstandings, and even block career growth. I've seen engineers lose opportunities, not because they lack skill, but because they couldn't express their ideas effectively. The best engineers aren't just great at coding, they're great at explaining, persuading, and making sure they're understood. Offer communication training specifically for engineers. It's not about being an extrovert, it's about learning how to get your ideas across. Encourage structured feedback sessions. Practicing how to give and receive feedback helps engineers build confidence in expressing themselves. Create more opportunities for discussions. Retrospectives, cross-team syncs, and brainstorming sessions are all ways to get engineers comfortable speaking up. 3. Short-term focus versus long-term planning. I've often seen engineers so focused on solving today's problems that they forget to invest in their own future. They prioritize urgent tasks but don't think about where they want to be in 5 years. The result? Career stagnation. I get it. When you're deep in debugging mode or pushing features, it's easy to put personal growth on hold. But I've also seen the difference it makes when engineers take a step back and plan for the long run. Those who do advance faster, find better opportunities, and stay engaged in their work. How to fix it? Introduce individual development plans, IDPs. Engineers should set both short-term and long-term career goals. Encourage continuous learning. The best engineers I know are always learning, whether it's through books, certifications, or side projects. Offer mentorship and career coaching. Sometimes, engineers don't know what's possible until someone shows them. 4. Isolation and lack of social engagement. I've seen engineers cut themselves off from social interactions, either because they're introverted or because they don't see the value in engaging outside of work. The problem? This limits exposure to new ideas, restricts career opportunities, and slows innovation. Some of the most successful engineers I know didn't just write great code, they built great networks. They interacted with product teams, joined tech communities, and put themselves in situations where they could learn from others. How to fix it? Create low-pressure networking opportunities. Casual team lunches, hackathons, or internal meetups make it easier for engineers to connect. Encourage cross-team collaboration. Engineers who work with design, product, and business teams gain a broader perspective on problem solving. Support participation in public speaking and tech meetups. I've seen engineers transform from quiet contributors to industry-recognized experts just by sharing their work. 5. Engineers are often undervalued. One of the most frustrating things I've seen is engineers being treated as just technical workers rather than strategic thinkers. Many companies don't recognize the depth of problem solving, innovation, and technical vision that engineers bring to the table. When engineers feel undervalued, motivation drops, and so does innovation. But I've also seen the incredible impact that recognition and inclusion in strategic discussions can have. When engineers feel like their contributions matter beyond just code, they become more engaged, more creative, and more committed to the company's success. How to fix it? Publicly recognize engineering contributions. Company-wide shout-outs, internal newsletters, and leadership acknowledgments make a huge difference. Involve engineers in business discussions. I've seen companies thrive when they bring engineers into strategy, product planning, and decision-making. Give engineers leadership opportunities. Whether it's leading a project, mentoring, or shaping technical vision, engineers need to see that their work has impact. Final thoughts. I've seen both sides of this, teams where these issues persist and teams where they've been actively addressed. The difference? Massive. Engineers who collaborate, communicate, think long-term, engage socially, and feel valued work better, grow faster, and stay longer. So ask yourself, are you playing small by holding on to these habits, or are you stepping up to become the engineer, teammate, and leader you want to be?